Good morning to all my students. Myself Samyuddin Ansari. Take out your learner grammar step by step of class 3rd book. Today I will start teach you new chapter. The name of the chapter is chapter 5. The pronouns, words in place of nouns. So pronouns are words that take place of noun. We use pronouns to avoid repeating names. So pronoun is used in place of noun, and we use pronouns so as to avoid repeating names. Look at the boys, they are playing. So here they is used as a pronoun instead of boys. So they is a pronoun. Ravi is a good boy, he helps everyone. So here he is used as a pronoun instead of Ravi. So Ravi is a noun, he is used, he is a pronoun. So here we will circle all the pronoun in below passage. One day when I was playing with some friend, I saw Rohit and Vivek crossing the street outside their house. Here we will circle. They said they are going to the sports complex. So these they and these they we will circle. Okay, sir, you do circle. We said we would go with them. So this we and this we will circle with them. Them we will circle. They waited for us. They and us we will circle for some time, and then we. This we also will circle. We all went together. We played there and had great fun. So this we also we will circle. So now we will study pronouns of first person. We use I and me when we mean ourselves. So when we are meaning about ourselves, talking about ourselves, we will use I and me. We and us are used instead of the names of two or more people. So when we are talking about names of two or more people, then we are using we. I, me, and we and us are the pronoun of first person. So I, me, and we and us, these are pronoun of first person. I love chocolate, please give me some. So here me is a pronoun of first person. So he's saying I love chocolate, please give me. We love chocolates, please give us some. So here us is also pronoun of first person. Pronouns of second person. We use you when we mean the person or persons we are talking to. So you is a pronoun of second person. So we are using you when we are talking to a person, okay, or more than persons. You is a pronoun of second person. So you is a pronoun of second person. When we are talking about a person, we are using you. Example, you are brave. I will help you with your project. So here you and your is a pronoun of second person. Pronouns of third person. We use he, she, him, her instead of name of a single person. So instead of naming a person, we are using he, she, him, or her. We use they, them, we when we talk about more than one person or thing. So we are using they and them. When we are talking about more than one person or thing, we are using they and them. He, him, she, her, they, and them are the pronouns of third person. So here he, him, she, her, they, and them, these are the pronoun of third person. She is my friend. So this is the pronoun of third person, she. They are my classmates. So here they is a pronoun of third person. Use of it. We use it when we talk about a thing or animal. So we are using it when we are talking about a particular thing or animal. The tea becomes sweet after sugar was added to it. So the tea becomes sweet when sugar was added to it. So it is a we are using about it because we are talking about a tea, okay, which is a thing. So that's all. Homework will be you will learn this pronoun of first person, second person, third person, and what is called pronoun, and this you will do circle. So that's all.